Yay, my mom's book is here. Woohoo! AI and the Human Frontier. My mom's book is getting me launched. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Yay!
AI and the Human Frontier. Here we come.
Wow.
Come!
Can
Woo!
you sense the family
Woo!
excitement?
Lots of family enthusiasm here. And whoever trusted me with scissors as my hands are shaking, opening the box of the book.
Anyone watching this, though, you can tell that we obviously have a lot of enthusiasm here in our family, including the next generation, and there it is.
Oh, I'm getting emotional over here.
There it
This
is.
and the new human frontier, reimagining the future of time, trust, and truth. It's here. This has been a few months in the works, but really this was years in the works. This is the culmination of years upon years, if not decades, of thought and research. This is representative of really my heart, my soul, and to have it here is just, honestly, it's very overwhelming.
This book is
Wow.
the best
Wow.
in the future. AI and the Human Frontier. Here we come.
Well, you can sense his enthusiasm. All of you will get to know him a little bit better as this guy over here, my 7-year-old son Zane, wrote the intro to this book. And really a lot of this came down to one central question. Really, it was, do we believe in the potential of humans and the next generation as much as we believe in the potential of technology? And that central premise is what really led me through this entire book, knowing ultimately that the future is a blank slate and it's really up to us to design it and rethink it for that next generation. So for any of you who have pre-ordered this book, thank you so much. For any of you who have not, you still have time. Go on Amazon, go on Barnes & Noble, anywhere major books are sold. It is being offered there. I am so pumped for my release on September 18th. So please follow me on ericaorange.com for more. I will be releasing so many more updates, so stay tuned. But again, this feels like such a huge moment, and just thank you to all of those who have been on this journey with me.